In this video, we learn how to add multiple bank accounts in Google Pay. Firstly, we are supposed to download the Google Pay app from the Play Store and install it. Open the Google Pay app. You can see that this is the interface of the Google Pay app. At the top, you can see the photo logo. Click on that, which will redirect you to a page where at the top you can see the payment methods. Click on payment methods and you will be redirected to a page where it shows the add bank account feature. Click on add bank account feature. Now here are the list of the multiple banks across various locations in India. Now you can choose your bank if you can see the name in the list, or you have the search option. See, now I'm searching for the Standard Chartered bank account. Click on that. Now it automatically sends an SMS for verification. It verifies your mobile number and it finds your bank account and it displays your bank account as you can see. Now click on proceed, by which it asks you for the debit card last 6 digits number and the expiry date, the month and the year in exactly in the same format. Here I am trying some dummy numbers just to give you an example of how to add your bank account. You are supposed to hold on or carry your debit card while you are adding your bank account into Google Pay. So I have just showed you all these things by entering the last 6 digits and then add your bank account. See, there will be last 6 digits and the expiry date. So after completing this procedure, I'll show you how the bank accounts will be displayed. Here I have added 3 bank accounts. So you can have still an option of adding extra bank accounts. So this was the procedure. If you like the video, thank you.